Students, in this video we will study IUPAC Nomenclature of amines. We will use the IUPAC rules to assign the names to amines. Now let's see what are the rules. The first rule is select the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms containing amino group as a parent chain. It means first of all we will find the parent chain, and the parent chain must contain amino group, which is the functional group. What is a parent chain? It must be longest and continuous chain of carbon atoms. It must has amino group as, right? So this is the first rule. Now the second rule. The name of the parent chain is obtained by prefix amino followed by the name of the alkane. It means, how can we write the name of parent chain? Students, for writing the name of parent chain, we use amino as prefix. It means amino should be written first. We use amino as prefix and alkane as suffix. First of all, we will write amino and then we will write the name of alkane part. This is the second rule, students. Let's see what are other rules. Then the third rule, number the parent chain from that end which is nearer to the amino group. It means we will do the numbering of the parent chain in such a way so that we will assign the lowest possible number to the functional group. Which functional group is here? It is amino group. So we will assign the lowest possible number to amino group. I hope this rule is clear. Then next rule, when another functional group is present in the compound, the amino group is taken as substituents. When another functional group is present in the compound, then amino group is taken as substituent. Then the next rule, the secondary amines are named as N-alkyl amino alkane. It means first of all we will write N, then we will write the name of alkyl part, right? Then amino alkane. N-alkyl amino alkane for secondary amines. But students, if we have tertiary amines, then how can we write their names? For tertiary amines, they are named as N-N-dialkyl. N-N-dialkyl amino alkane. Since how many alkyl groups are there? Dialkyl shows 2 alkyl, and here we have the third one, alkane. 3 alkyl groups are attached with nitrogen, so that's why this is tertiary amine. How can we write the names of tertiary amines? N-N-dialkyl amino alkane. When both alkyl groups are same, right? We will use this method if here we use dialkyl when both alkyl groups are same. Now students, if both the alkyl groups are different, then how can we write their names? We will use this way, that is N-alkyl amino alkane. N-alkyl amino alkane. When both alkyl groups are different, for the different alkyl groups, we must follow the alphabetical order. It means different alkyl groups are arranged in alphabetical order. I hope IUPAC rules for the nomenclature of amines are clear to you, students. Now we will understand these rules with the help of examples. This is the first structure here. We have CH3 NH2. So what is the IUPAC name of this, students? This molecule, students? First of all, we will write amino. Amino is used as prefix and alkane is used as suffix. Which is the alkane part here? Alkane, which is made up of single carbon atom, is known as methane. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? It is amino methane. Whole name is written as one word. Right, students? Let's see one more example. If we have CH3, CH2, CH, NH2, CH3. Now students, this is the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms, right? This is the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms. So we do the numbering in such a way so that we will assign the lowest possible number to amino group. If we do the numbering from right side, 1, 2. Amino group is attached with second carbon. If we do the numbering from left hand side, 1, 2, 3. Amino group is attached with third carbon, right? So to assign the lowest number to amino group, we will do the numbering from right side. So that's why amino group would come at second carbon. So do the numbering for amino group, students. We do the numbering of the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? With the second carbon, amino group is attached. So to assign the IUPAC name, we write the position of amino group 2 and then we use amino, 2 amino. How many total carbon atoms are there? 4 carbon atoms. Alkane made up of 4 carbon atom is known as butane. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule, students? 2 amino butane. Amino butane is written as one word. Let's see more examples. If we have a molecule like CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. This is the molecule, students, and we are asked to assign IUPAC name to this molecule. So how can we assign the name? Here we can notice we have 2 alkyl groups which are attached with this amino group. One is methyl, another is ethyl group. Then the larger alkyl group along with the nitrogen is taken as the parent chain. Parent chain. What is the name of parent chain, students? It is amino ethane. Larger alkyl group along with the amino group is taken as parent chain. It is amino ethane. Amino ethane. Methyl group is attached with nitrogen atom, so we will assign the name to this molecule as methyl amino ethane. What is the IUPAC name of this molecule? Methyl amino ethane. So write the IUPAC name of this molecule, students. We will write its IUPAC name. It is methyl amino ethane. Methyl amino ethane. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule, students. Now we'll see some more example. For example, if we have a molecule like CH3, CH2, 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 nitrogen. Here we have methyl group as well as here we have methyl group. Now find the parent chain, students. With this amino group, we have one hydrogen is replaced with methyl, another hydrogen is replaced with methyl, while the third hydrogen of ammonia get replaced with butyl group. Alkyl group made up of 4 carbon atom is butyl. So the larger alkyl group along with the nitrogen, it is taken as parent chain. It is taken as parent chain. What is the name of parent chain, students, here? It is amino butane. Alkane made up of 4 carbon atom is known as butane. So it is amino butane. Amino butane is a parent chain. Now with this parent chain we have how many alkyl groups? 1, 2. Both are same. Name the alkyl groups made up of single carbon atoms. Methyl. How many methyl groups are attached with this molecule? Here we have 2 methyl groups. So we use dimethyl. What is the IUPAC name of this molecule, students? It is dimethyl amino butane. So write the IUPAC name of this molecule. It is dimethyl amino butane. I hope this is clear to you, students. Now let's see some more examples of secondary as well as tertiary amines. We'll see secondary and tertiary amine as well while we do the nomenclature. Let's see some more examples. For example, if you have a molecule primary amine, if you have a molecule like CH3, CH, NH2, CH3. Now students, here we find the parent chain. This is the parent chain, of course. So we assign we'll do the numbering of the parent chain. 1, it is 1, now we do numbering of the parent chain. 1, 2, 3. Students, either we do the numbering from this side, that is 1, 2, 3, or either we do the numbering like this way, 1, 2, 3. The position of amino group would be same. Amino group is attached with the second carbon, right students? So we can do the numbering by any way, by this way or by this way. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? Assign the IUPAC name to this molecule. It is, what is the position of amino group? Amino group is attached to the second carbon. So it is 2 amino. How many carbon atoms are there in alkane part? There are 3 carbon atoms. So 2 amino propane. The name of this molecule will be 2 amino propane. Let's see one more example. If we have a molecule like CH3, CH, NH2, CH, OH, CH3. Obviously, this is the parent chain. The longest continuous chain is the parent chain, students. So we'll do the numbering of the parent chain. Students, we have here we can notice beside amino group, we have hydroxyl group which is attached with the parent chain. Beside amino group, hydroxyl group is attached with the parent chain. Students, we have learned the rule that if another functional group is present in the compound, then amino group is generally taken as the substituent. If another functional group is present in the compound, then amino group is taken as the substituent, right? If we apply this rule, then this compound would be the butanol. Since 4 carbon atoms are there in the parent chain, but and hydroxyl group is attached, which shows that it is an alcohol. It is butanol. So we will do the numbering in such a way so that we will assign the lowest possible number to hydroxyl group. So do the numbering of the parent chain, students. We'll do the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2 butanol, but at the third carbon it has amino group. So what is the name of this molecule? We have it is 3 amino, and what is the position of hydroxyl group? It is attached to the second carbon. So 2 butanol, 3 amino, 2 butanol. I hope this is clear to you, students. Let's see some more examples. If we have a molecule like we have this molecule CH3, NH2, CH2, CH3. Now students, find the parent chain here, and after that we will do the numbering. The longest continuous chain of carbon atom. So this is the parent chain, students. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the longest chain, students, and consisting of 4 carbon atoms. This is butane. With this chain we have one alkyl radical, that is methyl. What is the position of methyl, students? Here methyl is attached to the second carbon, 2 methyl. Amino group is also attached to the second carbon, so 2 amino. Now assign the IUPAC name to this molecule, students. What should be the IUPAC name of this molecule? It is 2 amino, 2 methyl. 2 amino, 2 methyl, and what is the name of the parent chain? Butane, since it is made up of 4 carbon atoms. So 2 amino, 2 methyl butane. I hope this is clear. Let's see one more example. We have a molecule like with this carbon, we have amino group here, NH2, CH3, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH3. Now, first of all, we will find the parent chain in this molecule. Right, students? So, we will find the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms here. We will see what is the longest chain. Here we have the longest chain, this one. Right, students? We have the longest chain. Either we can take this chain as a parent chain, right? Or either we can take this chain as a parent chain. This is the longest chain, students. So, we'll do the numbering of the longest chain, students. Do the numbering. If we take this chain as a parent chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alkane molecule made up of 5 carbon atoms is known as pentane. Now with this parent chain, we have 2 methyl radicals. Both are same, dimethyl. What are their positions? One methyl radical is attached with carbon number 2. Another methyl radical is attached with carbon number 3. So it is 2,3 dimethyl. And what is the position of amino group here? Amino group is attached with second carbon. Right, students? Now we will assign the IUPAC name to this molecule. It is, what is the position of amino group? 2 amino hyphen 2, 3 hyphen then dimethyl. What is the name of parent chain made up of 5 carbon atoms? Pentane. So, IUPAC name of this molecule is 2-amino-2,3-dimethyl pentane. I hope this is clear, students. Now we'll see some more examples to understand IUPAC rules. If we have a molecule like, now we'll discuss the IUPAC rule for secondary and tertiary amines, students. If we have a molecule like CH2, CH3, on one side we have ethyl group and on other side we have methyl group. Now students, larger alkyl group along with the amino group is taken as parent chain. Right, students? So here, what is the larger alkyl group, students? The larger alkyl group will be the ethyl group. So what is the name of this molecule, students? It is N-methyl ethane. Larger alkyl group along with the amino group is taken as we will see one more example to understand the rule in a better way. For example, if you have a molecule N, with this molecule on one side we have ethyl group, on other side again we have ethyl group, now we are asked to assign the IUPAC name to this molecule. Here we can notice on either side of amino group we have ethyl group, right? Both are same groups. So one alkyl group along with amino group is taken as parent chain. So what is the name of parent chain, students? It is amino ethane. While this is taken as radical. So what is the name of this radical? Ethyl. N-ethyl amino ethane. So write the IUPAC name to this molecule, students. It would be N-ethyl amino ethane. Whole name is written as one word. Now let's see some more examples. Now if we have molecule like this, CH3, CH3, CH3. One alkyl group, all the 3 alkyl groups are same, right, students? All the 3 alkyl groups are methyl groups. Here we have methyl group, students. All the 3 alkyl groups are methyl. So one alkyl group along with nitrogen is taken as parent chain. What is the name of parent chain? Amino methane. Now two same alkyl groups are attached with the nitrogen. So it would be, what is the name of this molecule, students? How can we assign? NN dimethyl aminomethane. So we will write its IUPAC name, students. It would be NN dimethyl aminomethane. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule, students. Now we'll see one more example. If we have a molecule like nitrogen, along with the nitrogen, here we have CH, CH3, CH3. Here we have CH3, and on this side we have CH2, CH3. Now students, what should we do first? First of all, we will find the parent chain. Now identify the alkyl radicals which are attached with this nitrogen. This alkyl radical made up of 2 carbon atoms, so this is ethyl. This alkyl radical made up of single carbon atom, this is methyl. And this is the alkyl radical which is made up of 3 carbon atoms, this is propyl. Students, what is the rule? The larger alkyl radical along with the parent chain is taken as, along with the nitrogen is taken as the parent chain. Right, students? So what is the name of parent chain? It is aminopropane. Aminopropane. This is the name of the parent chain. And with the parent chain, which alkyl radicals are attached? One is methyl, another is ethyl. Here we have different types of alkyl radicals, right? So which should be written first? Yes, we follow the alphabetical order to assign their IUPAC names. Now, first of all, we will write the name of the parent chain. We write the name of parent chain, students. It would be 1, 2, 3. What is the position of amino group? Amino group is attached with second carbon. So it is 2-aminopropane. But there are 2 alkyl radicals which are attached with the nitrogen. So first of all, we will write ethyl radical. It would be N-N-ethyl N-methyl, N-ethyl, N-methyl, and what is the name of the parent chain? What is the position of amino group? 2-aminopropane. N-ethyl, N-methyl, 2-aminopropane. I hope IUPAC rules are clear to you, students.